Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use GIFs on threads. So in this threads app, there is no way to add a GIF directly. So all you need to do is go for your Google Chrome or anywhere and select your gift and just click on it and go for download image. After that, uh, go for your profile, threads profile again. So go for in this pen and pencil and paper option, and now you can post it from here. You can write whatever you want here. Go for in this icon and go for your GIF. Done. Okay, it's processing now. So now you can see it's done. Now you have to just post it. It's posting. Okay, so this is how you can use GIFs on threads. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.